A customer's card declined at 2:47 p.m. Your system sends a recovery email at 2:48 p.m. At 2:49 p.m., they update their card and the payment goes through. At 2:50 p.m., they get your urgent fix your payment email. Now they're confused, or worse, they think you don't trust them. That's how automation kills retention. Here's what's happening inside Stripe now. A payment fails, your workflow fires immediately. But here's the catch. Stripe webhooks don't always arrive in order. A customer sees the decline notification from their bank, they panic. They jump to their banking app. 30 seconds later, they update the card. The payment processes automatically, but you already hit send on the recovery email. Now, this customer has two feelings: relief, their card work; rage, you clearly don't know that. That's involuntary churn. You didn't lose them because they couldn't pay. You lost them because your system moved faster than theirs. Here's my fix. That's simple. I call it the patience buffer. Think of it like this: when a payment fails, your customer doesn't need you yelling at them 60 seconds later. They need room to fix it. So the system pauses 1 hour. During that hour, two things can happen. Scenario A: they update their card, the payment processes, the system detects it and exits, no email sent. Scenario B: the card's still bad. Then and only then you send the recovery email. But here's the key: before sending that email, the system checks the payment status one more time. If it already went through, the email never sends. Zero false alarm, zero wasted email, zero angry customer. That's the difference between reacting to failure and watching for success. Now, I know what you're thinking. This works for one account, but I manage 15 sub accounts. Do I rebuild this 15 times? No. One variable, one time. It's called Stripe Update URL. Every email across every sub account pulls from that same template. Update it once, it updates everywhere instantly. That's the difference between a workflow and a system. Workflows break when you scale, systems don't. Here's what this looks like in real execution. This was a live test from earlier today. Did perfect, bought test product, and his card got declined. Let's see the execution log. You can see here that when the payment failed, lead perfect was added to the workflow. Payment fails, system catches it, it enters the buffer. For 60 minutes, silence. System wakes up, checks the card status, still declined. Recover email sends, one touch point, one email. No guessing, no spam, no multiple attempts. The entire process, zero human intervention. This isn't just automation, it's respect. Most agencies lose 8 to 10% of their recurring revenue to failed payments and churn. This system recovers 70 to 80% of what would have been lost without annoying a single customer. If you're watching revenue slip away because your payment system fights against your customers instead of working for them, let's fix that. I offer a free 15-minute audit of your recovery system. No pitch, just a breakdown of what's leaking and how to stop it. Drop me a message.